and our construction is similar to the one that we performed for the area rule. So it will basically a perpendicular height like this. This is not straight. Okay, let's try it again. A perpendicular height like that. Okay, that's better. And because it's a construction, we write it as dotted lines. Okay. Now we draw height h such that h is perpendicular, such that h is perpendicular to side BC. Okay, so this point, let's call it point D, and then we know that BC is actually side A. Okay, and then we can start with our proof. Now, this is a very, very, very simple and straightforward proof. So basically what we'll do is we'll focus on this triangle, and then we'll say sine of C, which will be opposite of hypotenuse h of b, and then we make h the subtract of the formula, and then after that we return our attention to this triangle, and then we say sine of b, which will be opposite over hypotenuse h over c, and then from that equation we make h the subject as well, and then from there we will take equation 1, we'll equate it with equation 2, and then we manipulate that equation to get to.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next